Hey, beautiful souls. Today, we're diving into something that can make your everyday life feel like a dream. If you've ever wondered how to infuse a little magic into your routine, stick around because I'm sharing simple rituals you can start right now to truly romanticize your life. Ever thought about how small moments can transform your entire day? From waking up to going to sleep, I'm going to show you how you can turn the mundane into something extraordinary. It's all about finding beauty in the everyday. 1. Create a morning ritual. When we wake up, it's so easy to rush out of bed and jump straight into our to-do lists. But creating a morning ritual can set the tone for a peaceful, intentional day. Start with the basics. Make your bed. I know it sounds simple, but trust me, it makes a difference. When you make your bed, you're already creating order and intention for the rest of the day. It's like a small win. After that, try something grounding like drinking warm water with lemon. It's energizing and helps you start the day with a little self-care. Or, take 5 minutes to journal about what you're grateful for. This brings positive energy to your whole day. 2. Slow down your morning routine. Now, let's talk about slowing down your morning routine. I know we're all busy, but taking just 10 to 15 minutes to really savor your morning makes such a difference. Instead of rushing through breakfast, take the time to make it feel special. Whether it's brewing a nice cup of coffee, arranging some fresh fruit, or even adding a little flower to your table, make this moment about you. It's a tiny ritual, but it's your ritual. When we rush, we miss the magic in these small moments. So, slow down and let yourself enjoy the process of making breakfast, sipping your coffee, and just being present with the morning. I challenge you to try a slow morning for the next 3 days. Set aside 20 minutes to just enjoy your breakfast or morning drink. Let me know in the comments how it goes for you. 3. Be present in the moment. Romanticizing your life is all about being present. It's about noticing the small things that make each moment special. For example, when you go for a walk, instead of zoning out or looking at your phone, take a deep breath and notice what's around you. The sound of birds, the colors in the trees, the feel of the breeze on your skin, those little details are what make life magical. It's not about what you're doing, but how you're doing it. When you're present, everything feels more vivid, more alive, more beautiful. 4. Create a cozy corner for yourself. Another way to romanticize your life is by creating a cozy corner in your home. A little nook just for you, where you can retreat and recharge. This could be a comfy chair by the window, a spot with soft blankets, a stack of your favorite books, and some candles or fairy lights. Your cozy corner is your sanctuary where you can unwind after a long day or just escape into a world of relaxation. It doesn't have to be fancy, it just needs to feel like your place. Somewhere you can nurture your soul and give yourself a little peace away from the busyness of life. 5. Dress for yourself. Another easy way to romanticize your life is through the way you dress. You don't have to dress up for anyone else, but for yourself. When you put on something you love, something that makes you feel confident and beautiful, it changes the way you move through the world. Even on casual days, try to love wearing clothes that makes you feel good. It doesn't have to be extravagant, just something that makes you feel put together. It's not about impressing others, but about boosting your own energy and mood. 6. Infuse small rituals into daily tasks. Romanticizing life isn't just about the big moments. It's about turning the everyday tasks into rituals. Whether you're washing the dishes, folding laundry, or making your bed, try to approach these tasks with a sense of care and intention. Try to think of it as a little ceremony where you're not just doing the task, but savoring the moment. Put on some music or a podcast, light a candle, or take a few deep breaths while you're doing your chores. It's about making the mundane feel more meaningful. 7. End your day with intentional relaxation. As we end the day, it's important to wind down with intention. Light a few candles, dim the lights, and maybe add a relaxing scent like lavender or chamomile to your space. You can even take a warm bath to unwind or read a book that calms your mind. Creating a bedtime ritual helps signal to your body that it's time to rest. Wrap up the day by journaling about the things that you are grateful for. It's a peaceful way to close the chapter of the day and prepare for the next. Remember, it's not about making huge changes, but rather infusing small rituals into your day to make it magical. Drop a comment below. Every click brings us closer. Subscribe for more stories.